Students, today we will start with chapter number 4, parts and wholes. Page number 50. Our flag. You must have seen the flag of our country. Do you know how to draw a flag? Over here we have the flag of our country and you have to draw flag of our country. So this is the first question. Now on page number 52 we have second question. Chocolate bar. Manju had a chocolate. She gave 1/4 of it to Raji, 1/3 to Sugta and 1/6 to Sheila. She had the remaining part. How many pieces of chocolate did each get? What part of the chocolate did Manju eat? Now the chocolate consists of 12 equal parts. 12 parts. Total number of pieces. Manju gave 1/4 to Raji. It means 12 divided by 4. Now 12 comes in the table of 4 at 3. So this will be 3. 4 3s are 12. So 3 pieces to Raji. Now 1/3 to Sukta. It means 12 divided by 3. 12 comes in the table of 3 at 4. So this will be 4 pieces. 4 pieces are given to Sukta. So over here. And next is and 1/6 to Sheila. It means 12 divided by 6. 12 comes in the table of 6 at 2. So this will be 6 2s are 12. 2 pieces to Sheila. How many pieces of chocolate did each get? So Raji got 3 pieces, Sukta got 4 pieces and Sheila got 2 pieces. What part of the chocolate did Manju eat? She ate remaining. So addition of all this will be 4 plus 3 7. 7 plus 2 will be 9. 9 pieces were total and were eaten by all these 3 girls. Now earlier she had 12 parts. So 12 minus 9 gives us 3. So 3 pieces Manju ate. Manju ate 3 pieces. This will be the answer. Now next one. Page number 53. Color the heads. 1/3 of the heads red, 3/5 of the heads blue. How many heads did you color red and how many heads did you color blue? What part of the heads are not colored? Total number of heads are 15 heads. Heads are there in total. Out of that, red colored heads. Red colored heads are 1/3. So 15 divided by 3. 15 comes in the table of 3 at 5. So 3 5s are 15. So 5 heads. And number of blue colored heads. Number of blue colored heads given are 3/5. So we have to divide 15 with 5 and then multiply the same with 3. 15 comes in the table of 5 at 3. So 5 3s will be 15 and 3 3s will be 9. So answer will be 9 heads. Now the number of heads that are not colored. So this will be 5 plus 9. 5 plus 9 will be 14. So over here we will write 14. Total number of heads were 15, out of which 14 are colored. So 1 is not colored. Now next, page number 57. Make different patterns by coloring some squares in the grids B, C, D. What part of the grid did you color? What part of the grid remained white? See, over here we have three grids and we have to color them. So B is colored like this, C is colored like this, and D is colored like this. We have colored, out of there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. There are 16 grids, out of which we have colored 4 in the first one. So this will be 4 upon 16. In second one, we have colored 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. 8 are colored and 8 are non-colored. And in D, we have colored 4. So 4 are colored and rest are not colored. Now question number 3. Draw grids of 16 squares and make patterns with A. 2 by. Draw grids of 16 squares and make patterns with A. 2 by red, B. 1 by yellow, 1 upon 2 yellow, 1 upon 4 green, and B. 3 upon 16 blue, 5 upon 16 red, and 1 upon 2 yellow. See, out of 16 we have to color 2, 8 red. So 16 into 2 divide by 8. 8 2s will be 16 and 2 2s will be 4. So 4 we have to color 4 red. Then next is yellow. Half we have to do yellow. So 16 divide by 2. 2 8s will be 16. So 8 will be yellow. We have to color 8 grids with yellow. And last is 1/4 green. So this will be 16 upon 4. 4 4s will be 16. So 4 we have to color green. Next is 3 upon 16 blue. In B, say 16 ones will be 16. So 16 16 cut. It means 3 we have to color blue. Next is 5 upon 16 red. So 16 16 cut. 5 will be red. And a half will be yellow. A half of 16 will be 8. So I am writing initials of this. It means 4 red, 8 yellow, and 4 green. Next one, 3 blue, 1, 2 and 3 blue, 5 red, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 red, and 8 yellow. This will be the answer. Page number 58. Ramu's vegetable field has 9 equal parts. What vegetable does he grow? In the figure you can see these are chilies, then potatoes, then brinjals. Brinjals, tomatoes, spinach. Tomatoes, potatoes and tomatoes. Okay. Which vegetable grows in the biggest part of his field? So this will be, see there are 9 equal parts and out of which he has grown tomatoes in the biggest part. So answer will be tomatoes. And in what part he is growing tomato? So this will be, total parts are 9. Out of them 3 are used for tomatoes. So this will be 3 upon 9. 3 3s will be 9. So 1 upon 3 will be the answer. Now next one. On what part of the field does he grow potatoes? Total 9 parts, out of which he is using 2 parts for growing potatoes. So 2 upon 9 will be the answer. Next is, what part of the field is used to grow spinach? What part is used for brinjals? For spinach, there are total 9 parts and he is using 1 part to grow spinach. For brinjals, there are total 9 parts and he is using 2 parts to grow brinjals. Next one. Now you write some questions by looking at this picture. Page number 62. Colored parts complete this. The circle is divided into two equal parts. Out of dash equal parts, one is colored blue. There are two equal parts out of which one part is colored blue. So over here answer will be 2. Next is here the circle is divided into dash equal parts. Circle is divided into 4 equal parts. Out of 4 equal parts, dash parts are colored blue. So out of 4 equal parts, 2 parts are colored blue. Next is here the circle is divided into 6 equal parts. Out of 6 equal parts, 3 parts are colored blue and 3 parts are colored red. Next is here the circle is divided into 8 equal parts. Out of 8 equal parts, 4 are blue and 4 are red. So this will be the answer. Question number 2. Patterns. Look at this square. What part is colored blue? What part is colored green? See, we will draw a grid to find the portion of each color in following square. What we have done is, this is the question and we have divided all this into equal parts. So total number of squares over here are 16. Out of them, blue colored parts are 2. So fraction will be 2 upon 16. So this will be 2 upon 16. 2 8s will be 16. So answer will be 1 upon 8. Thus 1/8 of the square is shaded blue. Number of green shaded square is 1. Out of 16, one part is shaded in green. So this will be 1 upon 16. Page number 65. This show 1/5 petal of the flower. Complete the flower by drawing the other petals. See, here one petal is drawn. You have to complete the figure by drawing rest of the petals, which is given over here. The picture shows 1/3 of the blades of a fan. Complete the picture by drawing other blades. This is the question and this is the answer. Next one. How many 50 paisa coin will make 1 rupee? So answer will be 2. 2 coins will make 1 rupee. Is 50 paisa half of 1 rupee? Answer will be yes, 50 paisa is half of 1 rupee. Next is how many 25 paisa coin will make a rupee? So answer will be 4. 4 25 paisa coin will make 1 rupee. 25 paisa is dash part of 1 rupee. See, in 1 rupee there are 100 paisa. 1 rupee is equal to 100 paisa. We have to find out 25 paisa is dash part of 1 rupee. So this will be 25 upon 100. 25 fourza will be 100. So answer will be 1 upon 4. 1/4 part of 1 rupee is 25 paisa. Next is 20 paisa is dash part of 1 rupee. So this will be 20 divided by 100. Now 0 0 cut and 2 5s will be 10. So 1 upon 5 will be the answer. How many 10 paisa coin will make 1 rupee? 10 paisa coins will make 1 rupee. So 10 paisa is dash part of 1 rupee. So this will be 10 divided by 100. So 0 0 cut and 1 upon 10 will be the answer. So 10 paisa is 1/10 part of 1 rupee. Now page number 69. Look at the yellow price list. How much does 2 kg tomato cost? Price of 1 kg tomato is 12 rupees. So price of 2 kg tomatoes will be 12 into 2, which will be 24. This is first one. Second one. How much does half kg of tomato cost? So this will be 12 divided by 2. Half of 12 will be 6. So 6 rupees will be the answer. Next is Kiran wants 2.5 kg of tomato. How much will it cost? So this will be 24 this is 2 kg tomatoes and this is half kg tomatoes. So 24 plus 6, which will be 30. 30 rupees will be the answer. Next is, how much does 3.5 kg potatoes cost? Price of 1 kg potato is 10 rupees. So 3.5 kg is equal to 10 into 3. So this will be 30, and half kg, half of 10. So 10 divided by 2. 10 divided by 2 will be 5. So this will be 35 rupees. 35 rupees will be the answer. Next is, what is the price of 1.25 kg of carrot? See, 1 and 1/4 kg of carrot. 1 kg of carrot is for 18 rupees. So 1 kg plus 1/4 kg is equal to 18 plus 18 divided by 4. Now we have to divide 18 with 4. 4 fours will be 16. 18 minus 16 will be 4. 18 minus 16 will be 2. So we cannot divide 2 with 4. So we will put 0 over here and we will put point over here. Now 20 comes in the table of 4 at 5. So 4 5s will be 20. So answer will be 4.5. So here it will be 20. 20 minus 20, 0. 18 plus 4.5. Now if we add 18 to 4.5, we have to add like this. 18.00 plus 4.50. 0 plus 0, 0. 5 plus 0 will be 5. 8 plus 4 will be 12. So 2 down and 1 carry. 1 plus 1 will be 2. 22.50 rupees will be the answer. He bought board of weight 4 and 3.5 kg. It cost dash. This will be 4 kg plus 3/4 kg. So price of 1 kg gourd is 18. So 8 into 4 plus 8 into 3 upon 4. 8 fours will be 32. 8 comes in the table of 4 at 2. So 2 fours will be 8 and 2 threes will be 6. 32 plus 6 will be 38. So 38 rupees will be the answer. Look at the shopping list in Kirti's hand. How much will she have to pay to buy all these things? Now we need to find out total of all these things.